Okay guys, this is the Audi S3. So 2-liter engine turbo. So I'm going to fix this car today. The oil leaks underneath the car. I can show you in the later. So this is looks like the top of the engine. We need to off these covers and everything. Here's the part, the new part we're replacing. They are coming with the gasket in here, the rubber gasket, and the between in here is coming another gasket. We need to off this one. Need to take it out this filter housing. Hey guys, you can see the underneath the oil leak in here, and there's a lot of oil. It's a dripping oil, and you can see in here. It's coming the top. So we need to off this turbo hose, this one, and need to take it out this filter housing. This is the engine with the top cover off, the engine air cleaner top cover. So we need to clear this side, go to underneath, have a look. See the turbo hose, we remove it. There's one bolt in here, another 10mm bolt in here. See the underneath now, you can see the leak somewhere in here between. You can see the corner, it's a leaking oil. So you can see the clearly the cooler. You add off this pipe and this thing and this one, and they have a sensor in here. Okay guys, see off the cooler. There's oil in there. Okay, so here's the cooler. Right, let's some, and you can see the underneath. That's for the gasket. They have 4 bolt 6mm hex one. Now you can see the 10mm bolt on there. I have to off that one too. So it's there going the 4 bolts. That side too. This one is a number 6. So I'm going to take it out the housing. Okay. I can see the ear. There's a leaking on the oil, the gasket. So that's a problem. So oil leaking is this corner, this edge. The gasket is crushed. You can see. So that's a leaking. So it's a new one. You're going to put it back in the new one. Okay, we install the housing, all the tight. Now we have to put back the oil cool housing. There's 4 bolts. Okay guys, we start the car. Car is running fine. You can see the underneath. So all is clear. No any leak. All good. This is the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.